I'm going to kind of do a twist on a classic, and that classic is a Cosmopolitan. This is a cocktail that was about maybe sort of 10 years ago, maybe even still about to some extent now, I'm not too sure, but this is kind of a Metropolitan. Metropolitan, this was made famous by Absolut. I do believe it was their Kurrant Vodka that started it, but then Raspberry Vodka sort of came in. But I was playing about with this, and this just works very, very well. So I'm going 35 ml. 35 ml of the gin there. Now, if you're wondering how I get 35 ml, if you've not seen these videos before, this is, I'm going to hold it as steady as I can there. This is my Mezclar Precision measure. You can see all the lines in there. They're 5 ml increments, both ends, so you can be super accurate, because cocktails are not always about 25 ml and 50 ml. You do use a lot of 10s, a lot of 5s, things like that. So 35 ml of the gin. The next ingredient is your Cointreau or triple sec. I've got Cointreau. I've been using this quite a lot recently. I haven't got any triple sec at the moment, but I'm just going, let's use that side as well, I'm just going 15, 1-5, okay? 15 ml. So 35 ml of the gin, 15 ml of the Cointreau. We do a lime wedge squeezed in. There we go. Just pop that to one side. And then I'm going to use this. Now, this isn't ordinary cranberry juice. This is cranberry and raspberry juice. This is supermarket own brand. Really cool. There's not much to split them and ocean spray and things like that, to be honest. This is really, really lovely. Size of the glass, I'm going just about 75 ml. Okay, no more than that. 75 ml. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly shake this up. We're going to ice it and shake it. There we go. Right, very hard, fast shake. You want that as cold as possible. Right, and there we go. So, oh, look at that. Oh, the smell coming off that. Wow, I tell you what, that raspberry gin is absolutely amazing. Pop that with one side. Just going to get rid of the ice that's been chilling down nicely. Slightly smaller martini glass, this one. Double strain, which means Hawthorne strainer. That stops the tiny shards of ice. And then, sorry, that stops the ice, and then that stops any tiny shards of ice. So you should end up with an exceptionally smooth, very vibrant, look at the colour of that, very vibrant cocktail. Absolutely amazing. Now, garnish wise, I didn't get any over, I've got one there, I'll use it. Garnish wise, I'm just going to use an orange peel, alright? So just whip the end off there. Got my orange, just gonna gently squeeze that over, and there we go. That is a Metropolitan made with raspberry gin. Oh. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Unbelievable. Thanks for watching this video. I'd love to know what you thought, so let me know in the comments below. If you want to watch more of my stuff right now, then hit one of the on-screen links and that will take you to my most recent or most related video. I've been Steve the Barman. I'll catch you next time.